Hello everyone, my name is Kaza and we're ready to make a bouncy egg. First, we open and then we put an egg and put a vinegar and then wait for 2 days and then finish. So let's start. Do it when the egg is full. And then we wait for 2 days.
Okay.
Actually, I feel it's not yet finished. And then when it's finished, we put the egg inside of a bowl of water, and then we take off the skin. Let's do it. Oh, disgusting! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh no! This is disgusting. Okay, look at the inside. Oh, it's so disgusting. Ew. Now we wash the egg now. Okay. Oh no, it's so disgusting. I don't know why it's disgusting in the whole world. Oh, so disgusting. Disgusting. Ew. Disgusting. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. Wow. That's good. Ouch. That's disgusting. How is it disgusting? Oh no, ow, my hands. Whoa! Oh my. Oh my. So slimy, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know why I turned it slimy egg.
Okay.
Thank you for watching my video, actually.
Okay.
Actually, I failed and then I broke it because I began half. But actually, it's disgusting.
So what happened?
So I broke it.
Because you
Make it too hot.
But the yolk looks like a jelly, is it?
It looks like a jelly.
And the shell?
And the shell is over here.
The shell is like that.
Yes.
so it's skin.
Yeah. So
Because of the vinegar and then make the shell become so soft.
yes.
And the yolk looks like a jelly. Is it like a jelly?
Yeah.
Can I touch it? Wow. You see, it's so funny.
It's slimy.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.